Following ICE Universe's lighthearted release of a roast list for the incoming iPhone 17 series, Samsung supporters are giddy with anticipation. Apple is criticized in the tweet for showcasing new capabilities that Galaxy owners have been using for years. Samsung was the first to introduce high-resolution telephoto zoom, titanium frames, vapor chambers, 120Hz screens, and even 8K video. The last joke is the most powerful. Samsung has already started revealing the future with foldables, while Apple continues to cling to slabs. It's audacious, cheeky, and sure to spark arguments between opposing viewpoints. The debut of the iPhone 17 would feel more like a roast than a celebration if Samsung chooses to retaliate with these phrases. However, there are other rumors circulating about Samsung. The Galaxy S26 Ultra rumors are also causing a stir. Despite rumors that it will be significantly thinner than its predecessor, the phone won't feel any smaller in the hand. According to ICE Universe, Samsung is maintaining nearly the same weight while exchanging a larger camera bump for a slimmer frame. 217 grams, which is almost identical to the S25 Ultra. It doesn't seem to make sense at first. Less weight loss yet a thinner body. The reason is the enormous 4.5mm camera hump, which is a significant increase above the 2.4mm bulge found on the S25 Ultra. In spite of this, the S26 Ultra may still rank among the lightest Ultra flagships available, outweighing the latest heavyweights from Vivo and Xiaomi as well as the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 227 grams, and Pixel 10 Pro XL, 232 grams. Weight isn't the only issue, though. The distribution of weight has the power to make or ruin the experience. The Galaxy S26, Samsung's next flagship series, will launch in early 2026. Rumor has it that all three models will be even thinner than their predecessors, which has already created excitement. According to reports, each model will be coming closer to the svelte design of the Galaxy S25 Edge, the first ultra-thin Galaxy S phone, by shaving off fractions of a millimeter. The Galaxy S26 Edge is anticipated to have a battery with 4,300 mAh, which is a significant improvement over the S25 Edge's 3,900 mAh. Let's now discuss the S26 Ultra. The source claims that this is as thin as an Ultra can get without losing its integrated S Pen. Do you want your Ultra to be even thinner? Eventually, Samsung may have to make a difficult decision. Reduce the stylus's size, make it external, or remove it completely. Is it possible to envision an Ultra without its recognizable S Pen? You're not alone if you're having trouble understanding the lineup. Where is the Galaxy S26 standard? Samsung appears to be making a big change. It's possible that the so-called S26 Pro is simply the standard S26 that has been rebranded to compete with Chinese and Apple products. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.